A landlady rented out her house for 2,400 cedis for 1 year. During the year, she paid 15% of the rent as income tax. She also paid 25% of the rent as property tax and spent 200 cedis on repairs. Calculate the landlady's total expenses. B. The remainder of the rent after the expenses. Then C. The percentage of the rent she spent on repairs. Taking a solution. The landlady's expenses are income tax, property tax, and repairs. So first, let's find the income tax. Income tax is equal to 15% out of 100% by 2,400. So that is her income tax, which will cancel that. 100 increase of 100 year 24. So I would be having 15 by 24 cedis, which will give me 360 cedis. That means she spent 360 cedis as income tax. Now, looking at property tax, will also be 25% out of 100% by 2,400. 100 increase of 100 into 2,424. So I would be having 25 by 24 cedis, which will result in 600 cedis. So she also spent 600 cedis on property tax. Now, to answer our question A, which says the landlady's total expenses. The total expenses becomes the income tax, which is 360, plus property tax, which is 600, plus the 200 she spent on repairs. That should amount to 1,166. So these are her total expenses for the year. Now they said the remainder of the rent after the expenses. So B, remainder should be equal to the total amount of money is 2,400 cedis minus 1,160 cedis, which will give us 1,240 cedis as the remainder. Then C, the percentage of the rent she spent on repairs. So we have percentage of rent on repairs should be equal to, she spent 200 on rent, that is 200 of the rent on repairs. Out of the total money she was having was 2,400 times 100%. So this cancels out. 100 into itself 1, 100 into this 24. Four into this 6. 4 into 200, that is 50. 2 into 50, 25. 2 into 6, 3. So now we should be having 25 over 3%, where 25 over 3% will give us 8 whole number 1 over 3%. So this is the percentage of rent she spent on repairs.